Hi everyone, today we're going to be making easy peasy pea salad. You will need 1 cup mayonnaise. My husband doesn't really like mayonnaise, so I'm going to go ahead and use Miracle Whip. 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 13-ounce packages of frozen peas, thawed. I have a 32-ounce package here, so I will be using most of it. 5 slices cooked bacon crumbled, and if we're going to be easy peasy, I'm going to do the already cooked bacon. 1 cup diced cheddar cheese, and 1/2 cup chopped red onion. So let's begin. You need a big bowl, then take your 1 cup of mayonnaise, and in my case I'm using Miracle Whip, and dump it in the bowl. Take your 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and then mix well. Then stir in your 1/2 cup of red onions, your cup of cut up cheese, and this is mild cheddar. You can use whichever kind you like. The 5 slices of bacon crumbled, and the 2 13-ounce frozen peas thawed. Or in my case, I've got a 32-ounce, so I'm going to dump most of it in there. And then go ahead and mix that thoroughly. And it sounds like my peas are still a little bit frozen. Not all of them are, but some of them are. But that'll be okay because I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for several hours because we'll be having it for supper. So I'll give it time for it to thaw out the rest of the way. My husband, I don't think, has ever had pea salad, or if he has, I don't know if he likes it or not. But this is just an easy, quick way to make pea salad. I'm going to make baked beans to go along with the meal too, in case he doesn't like this, because I'm such a nice wife. But don't tell him I said that. All right, so it looks like it is all mixed up. And then next we'll put our lid on and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill until we are ready to serve. And that will be probably in about 5 hours for us to eat it with our supper. So we'll see you then. So here is the easy peasy pea salad, and rounding out the meal is baked beans and a bacon cheeseburger. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
Still thinking. I'm not a real big, I call them English peas or sweet peas. English peas where I grew up. I'm not a real big fan of these, but I can eat this. It's pretty good. I think this is the way it's supposed to taste.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.